G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm here at Pacific EPPING, which is EPPING Plaza, Melbourne's northern suburbs. Shopping centres have now opened the last couple of days, and parking is absolutely packed. Not many parking spots available because retail shops have opened. Now it's Wednesday today, Thursday. Take two. It's Friday today, and here we go. We're inside. There hasn't been this many people inside a shopping centre for months. Now they've still got the distancing signs there for takeaway foods and shops, as you can see. As you can see, signs of life here. Okay. So it's good to see all the shops have opened up again. The Reject shop, which is like a $2 shop. Aldi over there, which is a supermarket. People everywhere. Let's see. Mum's talking to a couple of friends behind me. So JB Hi-Fi just here. They've opened up, as you can see. As you probably noticed, everyone's wearing a face mask. But anyway, I'll turn back this way because I'm waiting for Mum. She needs to go to the chemist. So we'll go back there now, and I'll continue filming in the shopping centre. So people are happy to be out because they've been stuck for the last 4 months.